The fishing process on modern fishing vessels is a closed-loop sequence of stages that incorporates advanced technology to enhance efficiency, ensure worker safety, and maintain product quality. When heading out to sea, these vessels are typically equipped with GPS navigation systems, radar, and sonar fish finders to accurately locate fish schools. Once a high-density area is detected, the captain navigates the vessel closer and selects the appropriate fishing method, such as trawling, purse seining, or automated harvesting systems, depending on the type of seafood being targeted. Automated fishing systems are operated via electronic control panels, minimizing manual labor while increasing productivity. Once the fish are brought aboard, they are quickly sorted and preserved using rapid chilling or deep freezing systems to maintain freshness. Some vessels are even outfitted with integrated processing plants, enabling on-site handling and packaging of the catch. Throughout the fishing process, modern monitoring systems are employed to oversee operations, prevent overfishing, and ensure compliance with marine resource protection regulations. This modernization not only boosts output, but also supports sustainable and environmentally friendly fishing practices. In addition, modern fishing vessels are equipped with advanced safety and living support systems for crew members. Smart control rooms and satellite communication systems provide real-time weather updates and collision alerts, ensuring safety even under harsh sea conditions. Crew quarters are designed with essential facilities such as restrooms, kitchens, and basic medical equipment to support health and morale during long voyages. Some vessels also integrate onboard wastewater and waste treatment technologies to minimize environmental impact on the ocean. Data management has also been digitized, from information on fish species and catch volume to journey logs. All data is stored and synchronized through specialized software, making traceability easier and more transparent. Thanks to the application of high technology and scientific organization, fishing operations on modern vessels not only achieve optimal efficiency, but also contribute to the professionalization of the fishing industry, meeting the growing demands of both domestic and international markets. This represents an essential direction for the fisheries sector in the context of globalization, climate change, and increasing consumer expectations. Moreover, artificial intelligence, AI, and big data technologies are being deployed on some modern fishing vessels to optimize the harvesting process. AI systems can analyze environmental factors such as water temperature, depth, currents, and dissolved oxygen levels to predict areas with high fish density. This supports captains in making fast and accurate decisions. Surveillance cameras and sensors installed throughout the vessel monitor the entire process, from net deployment to fish storage, ensuring transparency and operational efficiency. Collected data is stored and analyzed to improve future trips, gradually increasing productivity. Crew training has also been enhanced, requiring crew members to have a solid understanding of technical knowledge, equipment operation skills, and marine environmental protection. This is combined with traditional experience to fully leverage scientific advancements. The modern fishing industry is evolving into a high-value and sustainable economic sector. This is not only a technological revolution, but also a fundamental shift in mindset and management practices within today's fisheries. In addition to technological advancements, modern fishing operations must comply with strict legal and social responsibility requirements. Fishing vessels must be legally registered, licensed, and adhere to regulations on catch quotas, seasons, and operating zones. Many countries and international organizations have adopted responsible fishing standards, such as certification from the Marine Stewardship Council, MSC, which require vessels to strictly follow resource protection guidelines, avoid overfishing, and minimize harm to non-target marine species. Compliance with these standards is not only an obligation, but also a competitive advantage, allowing seafood products to access demanding markets such as Europe, Japan, and the United States. Environmental and marine ecosystem protection is also integrated into the operations of modern vessels. Fishing equipment is intelligently designed to minimize the bycatch of endangered species, And many nets include escape mechanisms for non-target organisms. Modern fishing vessels also prioritize using fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly energy sources, upgrading machinery to reduce emissions and underwater noise, which can affect fish behavior. All these efforts are helping reshape the image of the fishing industry. From a trade heavily reliant on nature and manual labor, to a modern marine economy driven by sustainability, science, technology, and environmental stewardship. This transformation is an inevitable trend of the times, presenting both opportunities and challenges for fishermen and the global fishing industry. International cooperation also plays a crucial role in enhancing the efficiency of modern fishing vessels. Many countries have signed bilateral and multilateral agreements on seafood harvesting, maritime zone sharing, technology transfer, and workforce training. These initiatives not only give fishermen access to advanced knowledge, but also enable seafood businesses to expand their export markets, increase product value, and promote the growth of the marine economy. International organizations such as the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, of the United Nations regularly provide technical assistance, disseminate information, and monitor the implementation of sustainable fishing regulations, contributing to the protection of global marine ecosystems. On many modern fishing vessels, scientific research and the monitoring of marine resources have become increasingly prioritized. Marine scientists are often invited on expeditions to collect data on biodiversity, spawning seasons, and the migratory behavior of fish species. This research informs the development of sustainable harvesting plans to avoid resource depletion. Some vessels are also equipped with tools for sampling seawater and measuring salinity, temperature, and pH levels, providing valuable data for studies on oceanic environmental changes such as warming, acidification, or red tide phenomena. In summary, fishing operations aboard modern vessels are no longer just about catching seafood. They have evolved into integrated production systems that combine advanced technology, scientific management, legal compliance, and environmental awareness. This progressive model demonstrates how a traditional industry is adapting to the modern age, aiming for a balance between economic efficiency, social responsibility, and nature conservation. Looking ahead, with continuous technological advancement and growing public awareness, modern fisheries are expected to become a key pillar in the maritime economic strategies of many nations, and a major step forward in aligning the seafood industry with the goals of the Fourth Industrial Revolution.